If this would have been YouTube video, this would have been the thumbnail. It's currently 4 in the afternoon. Started my day late because of the obvious reason. I woke up at around 9. It was too difficult for me to wake up. I was feeling so sleepy because I slept at around 2 yesterday. So I was too tired yesterday, so I took a break and decided to go gym in the afternoon. I was working out and I was in the halfway through it, and I found out that 2 hours ago, that was around like 10 in the morning for me, an earthquake of 8.8 magnitude has happened. The tweet was like earthquake has struck these areas in Hawaii, and he also mentioned that it is on its way to Japan. I got scared. I was like, okay, maybe I should leave Japan as soon as possible now. I started looking for flights. There were no flights of Cathay Pacific for today. Then I thought like maybe I should switch airline. So there is one flight at 11 p.m. tonight of Singapore Airlines. So I thought that maybe I should cancel it, my current ticket, and I should book a new one. I was about to do that, where I thought maybe I should just check with the reception for once. I went to the reception and I asked that, is that an issue or like threat? Should I leave Osaka right now and go home? He was like, no, it's totally fine, like it's safe, because firstly, Osaka is located in the central Japan and it does not have Pacific coast. Only areas that are on advisory or alerted is East Japan and west directly south of Japan. I was like, okay, like if that's the case, and I can ask ChatGPT. Even talk to my friend from America, like he's in Los Angeles, LA right now. Everything is fine. And I said, okay, like if they are fine, then I think it is fine over here. Yeah, it's currently 4:07. I hope I get to see Osaka Castle after this, because I'm thinking of going Osaka Castle. So yeah, so far so good. I'm currently heading to the restaurant. Same restaurant I went to yesterday. Cool. I'll see you later. Bye bye. So it's currently 5:45 and the reason I am breathing so heavily is because I almost forgot my this DJI camera in a washroom. So I was eating in the restaurant, and from there I got out and I was talking to my mom on the way, and I wanted to go to the restroom. I went to the restroom. I put my camera behind the toilet seat. I mean like on the strap behind the toilet seat, and I forgot to take it out from there. I was boarding the train. I was in the train, and before it closes the gate, I realized that, okay, like I do not have my camera. I thought that it is in the restaurant, so I ran all the way to the restaurant. Luckily, it was not far away. Just I got there, and then I realized that camera is not there. Then I later realized that I had put that in a washroom. I got so scared because I was like, there is no way I'm gonna get this camera back of mine. Started running, and like I rushed to the washroom that I went to. Luckily, I remembered the name or like the way to the restaurant. Sorry, not restaurant, like the washroom. And how do I get there? So I quickly got there in the same washroom. And luckily, thank God, my camera was still there. I need to be careful with this. Yeah, I need to be mindful of what I do. So yeah, I'm again going to the Osaka Castle Park. Again boarding this train. The metro is very crowded. It's currently 5:55. I'm at the Umeda station. Next is Line station. Same, I went from here yesterday only. Missed it for 2 minutes. Okay. So fine. Gonna wait for now. It's another, I guess, 2 minutes. Yeah, it's also in 1 minute. I have boarded that. So yeah. This station, Tanimachi Forkom station. Now I'm exiting from 9. Okay. Wow. Now where do I have to go? It says 300 meters. Wow. NHK nahi ho raha hai kya? Life is a highway. I know the This park is amazing. I mean, if you are working here or like if you live here and you want to go on a quick detour like when you are bored from work, then this is a perfect place for you to come. Let's explore further. I think I'm gonna go from that side because I think I will have a clear picture of castle from there. Machi Cafe.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
I just observed that my camera was using -2 aperture, and that's why like all the pictures I clicked there in the of the canal were very dark, like not bright. So I might need to do some editing. So yeah, anyway, I'm going into the castle. I don't think it is open, but yeah, let's see. What's that? I'll see it in return. Let's go inside. Look at that castle. Yeah, it's currently 7:15 almost in the evening. I'm sitting in front of the castle park, or like castle exactly. I'm in a castle park. So yeah, I'm just taking things slow. So yeah, I'll sit here alone and probably go somewhere. I don't know. We'll figure out. This is how the castle is looking at night. Let's go to this bridge, which is like just here. You can see I am here, and this is the bridge. So this is like the entire fort, and inside the fort there is a castle in between. I think this is the bridge. Now maybe I should start getting back. Yeah, there is nothing much left over here. I am going to the hotel directly because my hotel is around 1 hour from here. It's only 5 miles, but like I have to switch between multiple modes of transport. Like I can either switch between 2 metros, trains, or I can take one train and one bus. So I am opting for a bus because bus station is just opposite to my hotel. I'll see you once I reach home. Something is going on here. Excuse me, what is this?
Timeless.
Sorry?
Timeless.
Okay. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the Starbucks. It's filled with people from the concert. And surprisingly, all of them are girls. Is it like that it is only allowed, only girls were allowed? It was a Japanese pop band. Look at this, how crowded metro is. Even if it's so crowded, everyone is following discipline and maintaining a queue. I like this about Japan. Look at this whole station. And look at this, how crowded it is. Finally got in, but again it's too crowded. The train has arrived, I'm boarding it. Arrived at the Fukushima station. Hey, elevator is here only. Close, exit. Oh, this looks nice. I have to cross to the other side and go there. Oh, this way? Get this tracks. Alright, I guess I'll see you in the bus. The bus that I was supposed to take just departed 5 minutes ago, and that was the last bus apparently for the day. The next bus is at 6 in the morning and then 7. Damn, I did not know that. And now the only way to go back home is via the train. And again, like I have to go back like entirely to that station from where I just came and again board the station. Okay, I am at the Osaka station and I am changing for Midosuji line and I am going towards the Umeda station. You can see this is the Yodobashi Umeda station. I mean like Yodobashi Umeda building. And I think this is like the central area, obviously Osaka station. So it is quite crowded. I have to go for the subway. It's saying in 8 minutes. I have arrived at Shin Osaka, and look at this sitting desks, or like sitting tables. These are so nice, so well maintained. Everyone sits here like this is like their home property and not like it's a government property.